In this video, we're going to show you how to manage drugs that are in the safe and how to move drugs from the safe to the kits and from the kits back into the safe. We'll also show you how to actually add new drugs to the safe. So log in and click on Manage Drugs in Safe. Now, mind you, this is a beta version of this module, and that it might have some quirkiness to it, and it's not all the way complete yet. Things like the security tag number hasn't been implemented in this yet. That should be done by the end of this week. And yeah, so there's going to be little things that still need to be done, but here we go. So choose your safe that you're going to be working with, and we're going to add ketamines to the safe. Let's say we just got new order ketamines, and this particular example, the user or the customer generates their own control numbers and their own labels that they place on the vials, so the system can handle that. One of the nice things about Pharmalogs is that we will customize this module to meet your operations. So if you want us to generate the control numbers, then we will do that. So the first thing we're going to do to add a new drug to this is we're going to come down here, and let's say we have a couple of the vials that we're going to submit. Then we are going to persist the expiration and lot numbers and expire date. So we just come in here, we start adding the dates. You can add a partial date, so the month and year, and it'll be converted to the last day of the month and the 2023 all written out, long year. The lot number that's on the vial, and then your control number. And we can follow whatever format you say. If you decide that you want us to generate your control numbers, also, if you have a control number, you have the label in hand, you have a scanner that's hooked up to your computer or your device, your QR code scanner, and your label has a QR code on it for your control number, then you can also just scan that label and it'll populate in this box as well. Submit it, and that drug has shown up down here. And more likely you're working out of the same lot number, the same expiration date. So now you're just putting in scanning in the dates or the control numbers. Oh, of course, I already put that one in there. But that just showed you can't duplicate a number in there. So the system is smart that way. It won't allow you to put in a control number that already exists. So that was a good thing to see. Okay, we got enough ketamines in there right now. So looking at this form, so we have these ketamines, and now we need to restock a kit. And so It's really simple right from this page. You can just go down to your kit that you're going to restock. Choose the vial that you want to assign to that kit. Now, if you're not sure, usually you have this kit in your hand and you can see what vials are in that kit. But if you're not sure, you can come up here and you can go to the kit that you're questioning. There's no vials in this kit, but just to make sure you can do that. So we'll go back to the safe. We'll go back to the ketamine. We are going to select the vial that we are placing into that kit. Select the kit and then click assign. And now that vial has been assigned to that kit. Now the reverse of that is can be done as well. Also, before I show this, let's go to the account page for Narcotics Kit 4, and you will see that yes, the vial was moved over there and the count for that drug was updated. So now we have one assigned to it. So it's seamless, easy that way. Let's say you had to move a vial out of that kit. Then it's real simple. Since we are in kit mode right now, we're selecting from the kits, then the only place you can move that back to is the safe. So that is the rule that you want to pretty much follow is when you're moving drugs, it's going to go from either safe to kit or kit back to safe, and then you can reassign it back to another kit. So the ketamine's gone from Narcotics Kit 4, and the counts have been updated. So we just go back to the safe, and we'll see that the ketamine is now, it was 3 in there, now we got 4, so we can automatically see this. So that's how the managed drugs in the safe works, and this is for the users who use the safe as temporary storage for the drugs and then move drugs from the safe to the kits. We also have a module to where the paramedics go to the pharmacy and pick up the drugs from there. So that's also available in PharmLogs. And we customize all these modules to how you do your business. So don't feel like this is just hard code and this is what way it's going to be, and that you have to change your business to the PharmLogs way. No, we conform to the way you guys do business, yet we still maintain the standards that comply with the federal regulations. Thank you.